going to talk about a huge shift in manufacturing. It's a journey, really, from that reactive chaos to the calm, cool efficiency of predictive control. And it's all about your most valuable assets, your molds.
So, let's start with a really simple but honestly a pretty powerful question. I want you to think about your own factory right now. How are decisions actually made? Is your operation truly run by hard data? Or, if you're being honest, is it still running on paper checklists, gut feelings, and the amazing memory of that one technician who knows everything?
To really understand where we're going, we have to be real about where we are now. And for a lot of factories, that means facing up to something we call the hidden factory. So let's dive into section 1 and see what that really means. This right here, this gets to the heart of the problem. This hidden factory, it's not a real place with walls, but believe me, it is costing you real money. It's made up of all those little manual errors, every minute of downtime that never gets logged, and all that critical knowledge that, just walks out the door when your best guy retires. It's basically a factory inside your factory, and the only thing it produces is waste.
And this slide lays it out perfectly, the as-is versus the to-be. Over on the left, that's the old way, right? Paper check sheets, running machines until they break, and having basically zero visibility into your OEE, your overall equipment effectiveness, which is the real report card for your productivity. But on the right, that's the goal. We're talking real-time data on tablets, proactive alerts before things fail, and live dashboards so everyone knows the score.
Okay, so if that's the problem, what does the solution, the ideal world, even look like? Let's move on to section 2 and start building out a new vision. What it takes to create the zero-defect factory.
And let's be really clear here, this is so much more than just a tech upgrade. It's a fundamental change in philosophy. We're moving away from relying on someone's memory, and we're moving towards a system that actually enforces discipline. It makes sure the right things get done the right way at the right time, every single time.
So how do we achieve this vision? Well, it really comes down to 4 key pillars. First, interlock-driven safety. The system physically stops you from making a mistake. Second, guaranteed data integrity, because you can't argue with real-time scans and timestamps. Third, you get total operational visibility with those live dashboards. And finally, this one is a total game changer, usage-based maintenance. You service your tools based on how much they've actually worked, not just because it's Tuesday. Think of the savings right there.
That vision of a zero-defect factory, that's our destination. But the big question is, how do you get there from where you are right now? Well, that brings us to section 3, the bridge. This is the actual tool that makes this whole transformation happen.
And this is that bridge. It's called DataAct PM 2.0. In a nutshell, it's a smart preventative maintenance solution that connects right to your machines, grabs that real-time data, and automates your entire maintenance workflow. It's what makes your factory smarter, plain and simple.
You might be thinking it sounds complicated, but here's how it works in just 3 easy steps. First, we connect. We put small, smart devices on your machines, new or old, doesn't matter, to capture all that critical data. Second, we process it, making sure all the data speaks the same language. And third, you visualize it. You get to see everything on live dashboards from anywhere on any device. Okay, technology is one thing, but results are what really matter. So let's get into section 4, the proof. We're going to look at the specific features that drive real, measurable value for your business.
This right here is where the rubber meets the road. Let's connect the dots. With real-time stroke counting, you switch to usage-based PM and stop wasting money on service you don't need. With spare parts thresholds, you prevent those frantic, expensive emergency orders. Digital history cards give you this perfect audit trail to hunt down the root cause of any quality problem. And the mold machine interlock? It physically stops a $1 million mistake before it can even happen.
And the level of detail we're talking about here is just incredible. The system has tracked over 1.4 million shots on a single mold. Now, just take a second and imagine having that kind of deep digital history for every single one of your critical tools. What kind of problems could you solve with that kind of insight? So right about now, a lot of people are thinking, this sounds great, but it must be a nightmare to implement, right? And that's a totally fair question. We're going to answer that in section 5 with our clear, structured 12-week plan.
Look, we've de-risked this whole process with a transparent roadmap. The first 2 weeks were all about analysis and blueprinting. The next 6 weeks are the heavy lifting, development and installation. Then we spend 2 dedicated weeks on testing and training your team, making sure everyone is confident. And the last 2 weeks, that's the full rollout and the official handover. It's methodical, it's manageable, and it works.
So at the end of that 12-week journey, what do you actually have in your hands? You get a complete data pipeline flowing from your shop floor. You get live dashboards for OEE and PM. You get a unique ID system so every mold and tool is tracked perfectly. Your team is fully trained and ready to go, and the entire solution is backed by a 1-year warranty.
But going live isn't the end of the story. In fact, it's really just the beginning of a much more powerful one. So let's look at our final section. Section 6, the future is predictive.
And this is the key takeaway I want to leave you with. While this system absolutely masters preventative maintenance, its true power is what comes next. It builds this rich, deep data foundation that you need for the holy grail, predictive maintenance. We're talking about seeing problems coming days or weeks in advance and fixing them before they ever slow you down.
So the final question is this, and it really gets to the core of your whole strategy moving forward.